Because today I was telling about how to upload IGTV video on Instagram. First of all, you need to click long press on your Instagram. Click on your app info of Instagram. App info. I was clicking on another one. I will click on app info, and here you need to turn on all the notifications. So here we need to on the IGTV update also notifications, recommended videos. After that, go to Instagram account. Click on the plus symbol. Here you need to click on the post. I was choosing a video for the IGTV. I've chosen one video. After that, I was clicking on the next button. I was choosing a video. Clicking on the next option. After you need to select your post. You need to click on next button. I was clicking on next button. So here it is the IGTV. So I was sharing this. Now it was shared. Wait for a few seconds. It was shared. It was uploading. Wait for 2 seconds. Now it was finished up. So like this, we can upload our IGTV video. Thank you.